We're here at Dixon Farms, Mr. Robbie Dixon. On me one load of Holstein steers. These steers have had one round of Bovish Gold 5, one round of Ultraback 7. They have been wormed Ivomec injectable. They are just purebred Holsteins, dehorned, maybe one or two with scurs. There's one black Jersey Holstein on the deal you see right here. He can go with the load or we can take him off. But another nice set of steers coming from the Dixon farm, the Dixon family. Steers getting a little bit of silage each day along with the grass and hay. Again, these steers will be loaded on a truck with 2% shrink, $6 top slide. Just a very nice set of steers coming from Dixon Farms. These steers are located just right off Interstate 40 and 85, exit 147 near Graham. We'll weigh them off the truck. It will be about a 10-mile haul back to the scales from the farm. And a very nice set of steers coming from Dixon Farms to be sold on the July max sale. Steers going to be weighing approximately 875. Again, we have one load of steers coming from Dixon Farms. The all Holsteins. They will have Bovish Gold 5 one shot in them. They'll have Ultraback 7 shot. They have been worm injectable Ivomec. See, the steers are on grass, getting a little bit of silage today. But a very, very nice load of Holsteins.